Hi viewers, welcome back to my new video in Codemaster Lab. Without wasting time, let's get started. So in this video, we are going to see about Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is nothing but where you'll have some numbers, like it starts from 0, then 1, then 0 plus 1 comes to like 1, and then again it comes like 1 plus 1 like 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 was 5, something like that. So let's understand through images. Let me have one image here. This image would be better view. So that's what we will be doing for n numbers. So how many numbers we want for n terms. So with for that we'll initialize the value. We need to have an input like n. We'll have first term. So first and second terms are like common 0 and 1. So we'll initialize those numbers. So 0. Term 1 and term 2, and next would be the next term. Next term, how it generates first and second terms adding, right? So we'll not do that. So we'll write next term, and we'll just ask the user to enter the value and store the value in the n. So next number we'll be just writing it like t plus 1. So once it is done, t plus 1, then what we'll do is we will take if loop where we'll check if n is less than 2 or not. If n is less than 2, then we will print that two values, term 1 and term 2 values. We'll just print it out. So that's it. So Fibonacci series, if it is greater than 2, then here comes the logic. First we need to print that Fibonacci series anyhow. So we'll print that, and we'll use for loop while for the third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration. So n number of iteration it should go through. So we'll check that for loop. We'll use this for loop, and then we'll print the value of the next term, and then we'll update the values of term 1 and term 2. So term 2 will become first, next will become 2, the next value will become t1 plus t2. So that's how it is done basically. And let's test the values. So we have few errors. I have not initialized the I value. We'll initialize in for loop itself. We'll then execute it. So we have print I have written, so printf it is. So we have done that printf as well. So printf is also done. We'll execute it. So we have left with the space. So we'll use the space, and then we'll execute it, and we'll have the n value as 10. Then it is done. So that's how you can check the values like 0 to 21. It has been printed perfectly. So that's all for this video. Hope you have liked this video. For any updates, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching.